Seasonal businesses are great, but maybe not so great in the off season when you can't get customers, when there's no demand for your service, and you're trying to figure out how to maintain cash flow, how to keep employees, how to stay a profitable business, and how as the business owner yourself to keep making money during that off season. In this video, I'm going to break down some tips that you can use so that you know exactly what to do to start generating cash year round when you have a seasonal based business. Now, we're going to break this down even if you have no experience building out business strategy, even if this is your first business, and even if your business is brand new, especially if your business is brand new, because a lot of times that's how you can get your start is by offering a seasonal service. But unless you want to get stuck in that seasonal pattern, you have to start thinking about ways that you can expand your business so that it's year round and it keeps growing. It's one of the best ways to expand. So we're going to break that down with tips and things that you can think about to expand your business from here. Let's jump right into it. Okay, the first thing you got to think about is expanding your offering to include products or services that are in demand through the year, right? Makes sense, but what does that actually look like? Well, pretend you started a landscaping business, right? In the winter, you could offer snow removal services for same customers and even expand to get new customers. Now, here's the thing. These cycles can reinforce each other. As you get those landscaping customers, you tell them about your snow removal, and then as you get new snow removal service customers who are happy with what you do, they may turn into landscaping customers, right? So you start this flywheel of a positive business. Number two, encourage customers to purchase during the off season in advance. So this can help you as a gateway to get more cash flow into your business. So you could offer discounts or special promotions if they pay up front for service in advance, and that's going to help you maintain cash flow through the year and can even help you with that additional cash to invest in growing your business with off-season services. Number three, develop some type of subscription model. So if you can come up with some type of subscription service where customers pay a recurring fee for access to your products or services through the year, this can help stabilize your income throughout the rest of the year. Number four, host events or workshops, right? Use your business space or expertise to host an event or workshop that's paid classes in the off season. So for example, again, landscaping, you could offer to host events at your business, right? If you have a location about landscaping, about preparing for the upcoming season, about gardening, all those things, and have people pay to come and access your expertise even outside of the normal business months of doing and providing your service. All right, number five, look at different geographies. So if your business is seasonal due to weather conditions, consider thinking about having an offshoot in a different region, right? So if you're, again, we'll use that landscaping business example. Let's say you're in the Northeast. Well, is there a possibility you could open a branch in a southern state where you identify the same need, and then in the off season, you move all of your equipment down and you open up shop in the off season in that area, right? That's another potential. Also, create an online presence, right? So you want to be attracting customers all the time. If you don't have a website, click on the link below. It's $9 a month for Mighty Sites. If you're not reaching people on a consistent basis, you're not going to drive growth in any way. So an online presence can help you try to market new services and attract people all year long who can become customers during that busy season, but at least you're attracting them all throughout the year. Next, invest in storage and preservation. So with businesses dealing with perishable goods, investing in storage and preservation technologies can also help you to allow you to sell products throughout the year, right? So if you can invest in a greenhouse, if you are a flower shop and you can keep your flowers fresh and nice throughout the year, now all of a sudden you're selling them throughout the year, even though typically the big boom for the business is in the summer months. Partner with other local businesses. So if you collaborate with businesses that have complementary but not competing services, and then in the off season, try to bundle your services or products together, it's a great way to get some cash flow in the door too. Next, consider adjusting your business model to accommodate year-round operations. So this could mean changing operating hours, hiring seasonal staff, or adopting flexible work arrangements with contractors and things like that so that you can still provide services, right? Instead of laying off all of your operations and service staff at the end of the season, see if you can do something on demand so that you can still offer, even if your business doesn't have the same demand in the off season, at least you're ready with a new flexible arrangement with your service team so that you can still provide that service even for the lower demand and it doesn't go to absolute zero. Next, focus on customer loyalty programs. So this is actually going to help you keep the business that you've maintained and grown during the season so that those people want to come back the following year. So a customer loyalty program will encourage repeat business and it'll make sure those people maybe even get an earlier jump to extend your season. Next, Make sure you're doing the basics of marketing, so leveraging social media and content marketing. Again, this is the goal of extending your season. So if people aren't thinking about you, maybe they get a late start in spring, versus if you stay consistent with your marketing, sharing content, promotions, updates, you have those prepayment options. Now all of a sudden, instead of getting started in May, people are getting started in March with your business, and you just extended the season that your business is at. Last, conduct some market research. So continually try to research and respond and understand your customers' needs. If you're already servicing these customers seasonally with one thing, if you can find out what it is they need year round, then you have the same customer and you're just selling them something new, which is way easier than finding brand new customers for a brand new service. So get deep with your customers and understand exactly what they need. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and like. We're talking about ways to market and grow every single type of local business, and we'll catch you in the next video.